Hello, my name is Elliot Radcliffe, owner of DCEngineer.com, mechanical engineering graduate of Michigan State University, and today I'm out for a run in my current home city of Bilbao in the País Vasco. In the back we see the Guggenheim, University of Deustu, and the Torre Iberdrola, a few of the great landmarks of this city. But mostly today I'm here to present my final project in CS50X. So here right now is the project, which I'm calling MealPlan. This addresses our recurring need to come up with a set of meals as well as a shopping list every week to cover the food that we eat here living in the city of Bilbao. The first and primary view that I'll show here is the shopping list itself. Right now I'm clicking through several of the lists I created in the process of developing, as well as showing how you can create a new list. There I select the store, in this case the BM Abando, and provide a summary of what I'm intending to build that list from. At the bottom I add our list of items. Every time I hit enter, it creates a new item in the list, and I can also specify the quantity for how much of that item that I want to buy. Once I've added all the items I want, I can go up to the Save button at the top, which will save everything that I just selected into a database. The next tab is the Meals tab. This is fairly simple. All that you do is enter the date, the type of meal, meaning breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and the summary of what that meal was. Finally, the set of stores, which really allows us to create the selections that we have for the drop-down in the meals page. Key to the development of the website, but also something that I learned through the course of this project, was using Vercel to actually provide the hosting for the website itself, as well as storing some of the private keys of the website. These flow into the use of Supabase as a database host, for which there are some different features from the SQL that we learned in the course of the CS50X course. But ultimately, knowing that bit in advance allowed me to make very efficient use of Supabase. The source code for the project itself is hosted on GitHub, as well as the README per the course requirements, which also covers a few of my lessons learned from this project.